everyone, my name is Parva. Welcome to our journey through the sands of time. Today we're embarking on an exhilarating expedition into the world of ancient Egypt where mysteries abound and legends come to life. At the heart of our adventure lies the incredible tale of King Tutankhamun, the boy king who defied the odds by ascending to the throne at the tender age of 9. Can you imagine ruling an empire while still figuring out fractions? Tut sure could, but that's not all. Hidden within the depths of his tomb lies a jackpot of treasures, so dazzling it would make even the richest pharaoh blush with envy. Gold, jewels, chariots, you name it, Tut had it all. Join me as we unravel the mystery, uncover the magic, and bring history to life by crafting our very own King Tut Mask using everyday materials. So grab your tools and let's embark on this epic quest together. Let's kickstart today's video tutorial on crafting our very own DIY King Tut Mask by diving straight into the materials we will need. First up, grab your acrylic paint and brushes, alginate molding powder, alginate cast powder, a mixing bowl with warm water, scissors, spatula, cardboard, hot glue guns, spray paint, cloth, sandpaper, tissues, cotton balls, and pipe cleaners. Now let's get crafting. We'll begin by mixing the alginate molding powder with warm water and carefully applying it to our face. After a brief wait of 2 to 3 minutes, we'll do the same with cast powder to capture every tiny detail. Once the molds are set, we'll carefully remove them and shape the features to perfection. Assembling the pieces using cardboard will ensure to include a neck and circular base. Adding depth to the pharaoh's cloth and connecting the ears to the sculpture, we'll craft the intricate details using thin cardboard and tissues. Next, it's serpentine. Using thin cardboard strips wrapped around pipe cleaners and cotton balls for texture, we'll create the iconic snakes to adorn our mask. Don't forget the final touches, adding the cool cloth design, spray painting it outdoors for a clean finish, and detailing with colorful acrylic paints will truly bring our King Tut mask to life. Finally, wrap the cloth over our King Tut face and behold, our masterpiece. Let's compare it to the real deal. Showcasing the creative DIY project anyone can try at home with simple materials. Hope you enjoyed the step-by-step journey into crafting our very own King Tut mask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY adventures. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting. Bye!